Hey guys, what's up? This is Govindasamy Srinivasan from govindasamy.srinivasan.com. Welcome to my Passive Empire review. We are the dashboard of Passive Empire, where you can see Cynthia Benitez is going to take you through the course to help you create a passive income stream which will make you income even while you're sleeping. Even a newbie can learn how to do this. Now I want to take you through my bonuses. I have some bonus page where I put across some bonuses for those of you who want to pick Passive Empire through my link. So if you want to purchase Passive Empire, you need to go below this video, the first link which will bring you to this bonus page, and when you click one of these buttons, it will take you to the sales page where you can go and purchase Passive Empire. But you need to do that before the countdown timer on my bonus page expires, because when that does, my bonuses will expire and I don't want that to happen to you. Now let us see what Passive Empire is all about. On Passive Empire, you will learn how to make passive income 24/7. Basically, Cynthia teaches you how to generate passive income from 3 platforms, integrate all of them to have a snowball effect, making you commissions even when you sleep. She shows you how to effortlessly set up your own passive empire in the next 30 minutes that will reward you with passive income for years to come. The key to making this work even if you have never made a dime online. How to pick the most profitable offers that convert website visitors into cash, and the secret strategy for getting approved as a total newbie with no sales history. She shows you a little known hack which she uses to get free traffic rolling to any link of your choice. Every step involved in Passive Empire strategy is explained without leaving anything out. If this interests you, then stick around and watch till the complete review, because I'm going to show you more details about Passive Empire and my bonuses. Now let's jump into the bonuses. Bonus number 1. This is a Urgency Suits Pro created by Jono Armstrong. This is his number 1 scarcity tool. This you can use on your funnel and create a scarcity so that people will opt into your list and you get a much better opt-in rate. Bonus number 2. This is a hack which Jono Armstrong uses to blast his site to number 1 of Google. So you can see the exact steps what he's using and implement on your blog. Bonus number 3 is AdWords case study by Jono Armstrong, where he teaches you how to set up your Google AdWords and drive massive traffic from Google AdWords for low CPC, cost per clicks, to your funnel. This way you can build a huge list for low cost and you can integrate with your passive income streams. Bonus number 4 is access to Figo Multiplier, which is a course by Jono Armstrong where he teaches you how to generate traffic, free traffic to your offers. Bonus number 5 is special bonuses, all the vendor bonuses from the vendor. To claim all these bonuses and vendor bonuses, you need to go and purchase Passive Empire through my link here, which will take you to the sales page where you can go and purchase your copy of Passive Empire. Once you have purchased your copy of Passive Empire, you can go to your Warrior Plus account and access your purchase receipt, which will look like this. And when you press this blue icon, you will get instant access to all the bonuses. Now let me take you over to the sales page. Okay, this is the sales page of Passive Empire. You are about to start building passive empires within 30 minutes that produce automated income day in, day out, with completely free traffic using fail-proof methods, which is shown by Cynthia. Okay, so this is some of the actual income proofs which Cynthia has received in her Warrior Plus account. She has earned thousands of dollars in a matter of 10 months. So these are the creators of the product, Cynthia Benitez and John Newman. You can go through the sales page to understand what all you get with this at your own time. Now let's jump into the members area. Now this is the members area and I will walk you through the what you get in this course. First, starting with welcome video, the two creators of this product, Cynthia and John, welcome you in their videos, and you also have a link to register for a free webinar where you can learn how to do affiliate marketing. So this is a walkthrough of the complete course. So here you are shown how to select your niche. Basically there are three kind of niches. This is a health, wealth and relationship, and she shows you how to go into the sub niches and select one niche to create your passive empire. So basically this course is all revolving around the wealth niche, which is the make money online, where she shows you how to create your passive income streams. So this is where she takes you through how to select your offer. So basically there are three platforms where you can go and select your offer: ClickBank, JVZoo and Warrior Plus. ClickBank is a platform which is easy to join and get approved, automatic approval for your affiliate offers. And here you can get all kinds of offers, that is wealth, health and relationship. JVZoo and Warrior Plus are two platforms where you can promote affiliate products in the make money online niche. But you need to get approved from the vendor for promoting these products, and Cynthia shows you a method how to get approved easily even if you have not made a single sale. So here she shows you how to set up your blog. Okay, this blog becomes one of your passive income streams. Once you put up a blog post and it starts generating income, so it remains there forever. So this is a system how she shows you to set up the blog, right from selecting your domain and how to set up your site and the theme she uses. Next, she uses a funnel to get people into her system. So she shows you how to set up the funnel in detail, starting from the opt-in page where you give a free offer and entice people to join your list. And once you have a list, you can start promoting your offers and your reviews. So she uses ClickFunnels, but you need not use ClickFunnels. She uses another way where you can install Thrive Architect for a very low cost on your website and start posting blog posts. So another method where she generates passive income is through YouTube channel, where she posts review videos of the product she chooses from Warrior Plus and JVZoo. So here she shows you how to set up the channel and how to grow your channel and get subscribers who will keep coming and buying your products. So here she shows you three videos. When you click this, you will be taken to three case study videos where she shows you complete walkthrough how to set up a affiliate marketing campaign. Okay. Now, in this review video, which is basically based on launch hacking method, you keep getting traffic only as long as the launch is in place. Once the launch is over, the traffic dies down. Now she shows you evergreen method where you can convert this review videos into evergreen video. So you can also learn this hack and implement in your system. So she shares you some of the results which I also showed you on the sales page. So she actually shows you the actual income proof where she has earned thousands of dollars in a matter of 10 months. Okay, this brings to conclusion of the course, and she has put up some bonuses. Basically there are 4 bonuses she shares, where bonus number 1 is how she made $595 with free traffic. This is a case study. Bonus number 2 is how to build an email list chip. This is a complete course she has launched earlier, which she gives it to you for free. And bonus number 3 is learn affiliate marketing. This is also a course which she has launched before, and you get access to this. And there's an unannounced bonus which is not shown in the sales page, which is the freebie page. You get bonuses here which you can use to give out to your subscribers on your opt-in page. So here you can get access to all the OTOs. You will receive all this and all my bonuses when you pick up the front end of Passive Empire for just $12.95. Now this is actually gives you access to the powerful Passive Empire software and training modules. Let us look at the upsells which is being provided with this course. Upsell number 1 is a Passive Empire Advanced costing you $27, where Cynthia teaches you some advanced strategies to explode your results. Upsell number 2 is Passive Empire Done For You, which is costing $47, where she will give you done for you bonus pages to promote your offers, one every week for complete year. Upsell number 3 is Passive Empire License Rights, which is costing $67, where you can sell this complete Passive Empire course as your own product and keep the commissions across the entire funnel. Upsell number 4 is coaching for $197, where Cynthia will coach you for a month and help you with whatever you need regarding internet marketing to make you successful. Now to recap, the key benefits are: you can effortlessly set up your own Passive Empire in the next 30 minutes. The key to making this work will be shared. How to pick up most profitable offers, a little known hack to get free traffic rolling, and all the steps involved for building a Passive Empire income streams. Okay, this brings us to an end of the review video. If you like my review video, please go and like my video. Thank you so much for watching my Passive Empire review video. If this is the first time you are visiting my channel, I encourage you to go and subscribe to my channel so that you will get notified about my further upcoming review videos. See you until next. Until then, stay safe, take care. Bye. Thank you.